So this is behind the scenes of us shooting the hot cocoa picture you see. So I'm going to walk you guys through the step on how to make your own hot cocoa at home. So first things first, you're going to need pure cane sugar, organic cane sugar. Full recipe will be linked in the description bar below. Some good cacao powder, some vanilla bean or vanilla bean paste, some salt of choice, and that is everything you're going to need. So first things first is you're going to weigh your cocoa or cacao powder out, and then weigh out your sugar and salt, and scrape your vanilla bean or using vanilla paste. Scrape, scrape, scrape. And then you're just going to add everything to the blender, and you're just going to blend into well combined for about 20 seconds to a minute. So once your cocoa is all blended together, we're going to take it. We're going to put it inside of our jar of choice. I chose this little mason jar. We're just going to scoop it out. So let me get my... Where is it? So this definitely helps when putting things inside of a mason jar so you don't spill anything. I'm just actually going to pour it. I'm going to give it a shake. And there we go. We have our homemade vegan hot chocolate mix. And just add your favorite plant-based milk to it. And hey guys, so I thought I'd make a short video showing you how to use my homemade hot cocoa mix. So it's getting to that point in the season where we need a little bit of warmth. So I'm using oat milk. You can use whatever plant-based milk you love. I currently have that on hand. Warm your milk up until it's nice and hot. And you're going to take 1 to 2 tablespoons of your cocoa mix. And the link to this will be in the description bar. And it's also available on my Etsy shop and on my website. You're just going to mix until it gets nice, combined. If you like it super chocolatey, add in 2 tablespoons. And you just want to mix it. I usually whisk mine, so let me grab one whisk. The whisk gives it a frothy texture, so we're just gonna take it and we're gonna whisk it. It adds air to it. Here we go. We got a frothy, nice cup of cocoa. And then we're gonna add in our choice of marshmallows. So you can use Dandies, you can use all of them are Dandies, you can use their pumpkin, their peppermint, and then their classic, yummy, yummy, yummy marshmallow. I use all of these marshmallows to make my s'mores. So because it's pumpkin season right now, it's getting close to this season. It's almost there. But we're gonna add some of the pumpkin ones, which are delicious. And I had about 2 or 3 of them. Let's do 4. And there you go. Perfect vegan hot chocolate. Enjoy, guys.